Choosing the right hair color can transform your look and boost your confidence. But with so many products on the market, finding one that delivers salon-quality results at home can be tricky. That's why we've curated a list of the top 5 best hair colors to help you achieve vibrant, long-lasting results. From rich pigments to nourishing formulas, these products stand out for their performance and reliability. Let's dive into the details to find the perfect match for your hair needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Garnier Nutrisse. The Garnier Nutrisse hair color is a popular choice for at-home coloring, offering rich, radiant color with nourishing benefits. Its creamy formula is infused with fruit oils, ensuring your hair remains soft and shiny after every application. Key features: Garnier Nutrisse features a range of over 40 shades, from natural tones to bold colors. The formula includes avocado, olive, and shea oils, which deeply condition your hair while coloring. The ammonia-free composition makes it gentle on the scalp and hair. Benefits and usage: this product is perfect for covering grays, enhancing natural color, or experimenting with a new look. To use, mix the developer and colorant, apply evenly to your hair, and leave it for the recommended time. The nourishing conditioner included in the kit locks in moisture and enhances shine. Usability: Garnier Nutrisse's easy-to-apply formula is ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. The drip-free cream ensures a mess-free application, while the detailed instructions make it simple to achieve professional-looking results at home. Durability: this hair color offers long-lasting results, with vibrant shades that resist fading for up to 8 weeks. Its conditioning formula helps maintain your hair's health, even with regular use. In the second spot, we have Revlon ColorSilk. Revlon ColorSilk is a trusted name in the hair coloring world, known for delivering natural-looking results at an affordable price. Its ammonia-free formula ensures gentle care for your hair and scalp. Key features: this product boasts Revlon's 3D color gel technology, which delivers rich, multidimensional color. It's available in a wide range of shades, ensuring a perfect match for everyone. The formula is enriched with keratin and silk proteins for added strength and shine. Benefits and usage: ideal for gray coverage and enhancing natural color, Revlon ColorSilk provides a radiant finish that looks like it came straight from a salon. Simply mix, apply to your hair, and wait for the recommended time before rinsing and conditioning. Usability: the kit includes everything you need for an easy application, including gloves and a nourishing conditioner. The no-drip formula ensures a mess-free experience, making it a favorite for at-home color enthusiasts. Durability: Revlon ColorSilk offers excellent color retention, lasting up to 6 weeks with proper care. Its fade-resistant formula keeps your hair looking vibrant and fresh between coloring sessions. Coming in at number 3 is the Schwarzkopf Keratin Color. Schwarzkopf Keratin Color is designed for those who want professional quality results and added hair protection. This product combines intense color with keratin-infused care, making it a standout in the hair coloring market. Key features: this hair color features a pre-color serum that strengthens hair and protects it from damage during the coloring process. Its keratin-infused formula repairs and conditions your hair, while the ammonia-free composition ensures a gentle application. Benefits and usage: perfect for gray coverage and adding depth to your natural shade, Schwarzkopf Keratin Color provides a rich, even finish. Start by applying the pre-color serum, mix the color and developer, apply to your hair, and rinse after the recommended time. Usability: the included pre-treatment serum and nourishing conditioner make this product easy to use while ensuring optimal hair care. The creamy formula spreads evenly, ensuring consistent results. Durability: Schwarzkopf Keratin Color offers long-lasting color that remains vibrant for up to 10 weeks. Its keratin-enriched formula helps maintain the health of your hair, ensuring it stays soft and shiny over time. Taking our 4th spot is Wella Koleston Perfect. Wella Koleston Perfect is a salon-grade hair color that offers exceptional vibrancy and precision. Known for its innovative Me Plus technology, this product minimizes the risk of allergic reactions while delivering stunning results. Key features: Wella Koleston Perfect features over 160 shades, ensuring a perfect match for any hair type and style. The formula is free from PPD and PTD, reducing the risk of irritation. Its high-purity color pigments deliver rich, vibrant results that last. Benefits and usage: ideal for both professional use and at-home application, this hair color provides intense, even coverage. Mix the color with the recommended developer, apply to your hair, and leave it for the specified time before rinsing. Usability: while primarily used in salons, this product is straightforward enough for at-home users with some experience. Its creamy formula ensures even application, while the precise instructions guide you through the process. Durability: Wella Koleston Perfect offers long-lasting color with excellent fade resistance. Its innovative formula ensures vibrant results that stay true to tone, even after weeks of washing and styling. And finally, at number 5, we have Matrix SoColor. Matrix SoColor is a professional-grade hair color known for its vibrant, long-lasting results. This product is a favorite among hairstylists for its ease of use and reliable performance. Key features: featuring CeraOil Conditioning Complex, Matrix SoColor nourishes and strengthens hair while coloring. It offers an extensive shade range, including vibrant fashion colors and natural tones. The ammonia-free formula ensures a gentle application. Benefits and usage: perfect for gray coverage, enhancing natural color, or bold transformations, this product delivers consistent, salon-quality results. Mix the color and developer, apply evenly to your hair, and rinse after the recommended time. Usability: designed for professional use, Matrix SoColor is also suitable for at-home users with some experience. Its creamy consistency ensures an even application, while the conditioning formula minimizes damage. Durability: Matrix SoColor provides long-lasting color that remains vibrant for up to 8 weeks. Its fade-resistant formula and conditioning properties keep your hair looking healthy and radiant between applications. Finding the perfect hair color doesn't have to be overwhelming. From the nourishing formula of Garnier Nutrisse to the salon-grade performance of Wella Koleston Perfect, these top 5 products cater to a variety of needs and preferences. Whether you're covering grays, experimenting with a new shade, or enhancing your natural color, these options ensure stunning, long-lasting results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.